Hello, how many lot size do you trade with, or how much lot size do you use in your trading? Is a common question that traders ask themselves and ask their colleagues. And personally, if asked that question, I don't think if that is the right question to answer, to ask, because I don't think if there is a specific lot size that someone is supposed to trade with. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how much I do calculate my lot sizes, and also with a, I'll also put an I'll put it with an example. This one on Audi USD, exactly how I calculate my lot size. Yes. So, as a trader, when your edge prints, like this edge prints, right? I usually define my risk, right? Maybe I set a rule that I am willing to lose 2% of my account. Theoretically, let's check a $100 account. With a $100 account, I might say I am willing to lose 2% of my account. 2% of a $100 account is like that's 2%. 2% out of 2% of a $100 account is like $2, right? So I am willing to lose $2 in the account. So what I usually do is that this is the formula. This is the formula. This right here. The number of lots to use, right, depends on the amount you are willing to lose. Divide by the number of pips between your entry and stop loss. This is your point of entry, and this is your stop loss. Stop loss should be above this high here, considering the broker spread. Yes, you must put into account your broker spread. For example, if this level right here is maybe 1.408084, should also consider the broker spread. For example, mostly the broker that I use on GBP USD usually has a spread of 30 pips, right? 30, oh, yep, that is it. So that you put your stop loss right above that high. Yes, that is it. So you take the number of lots, you take the amount you're willing to lose. Like I said, you're willing to risk 2% of your $100 account. So you take 2% of $100 account is $2, right? Take $2 divided by the number of pips between your entry and stop loss. You measure the number of pips from here to here. That is it. For example, if theoretically you're getting 10, then 2 divided by 10, you get 0.2. So you can use a lot size of 0.2. This is an example. If you're willing to lose $1, then the distance between your entry and stop loss is 10 pips. Then 1 divided by 10 is you'll use a lot size of 0.1. If you're willing to lose $1 again, and the distance between your entry and stop loss is 20 pips, then you use a lot size of 0.05. That is 1 divided by 20. If you're willing to lose $10 in your account. For example, we are working with theoretically $100 account, right? $100 account. If you're willing to lose $10, believe that's 10% of a $100 account, and the distance between your entry and stop loss is 10 pips. Then you use a standard lot, one standard lot, right? And here, if you're willing to lose $10 and the distance between your entry and stop loss is 20 pips, then you take 10 divided by 20, you get 0.5. Then you use a lot of 0.5. Use the lot 0.5. Yeah, it was just a that. The most important thing is you should know the number of lots to use should be the amount you are willing to lose in your account. Those are rules that you're supposed to set by yourself. Yes. Follow your own rules. The amount you're comfortable of losing. Then usually I divide with the distance between my entry and the stop loss. Let's be practical. Let's put things into perspective. Let's look at this chart. This is a bearish version of our standard trading model, which we drew like this. No, this one should be higher a bit. Yeah, that's how we said. So we had liquidity. I broke down this chart on some video back. First break of structure, then right here, this is the guy. This is where you're supposed to set take our trade. But again, I explained how I do this triangle. So usually I set my order right above this triangle right here. Setting my order right here, my sell limit order right here, I usually measure the number. Yes, from right here to this place. After measuring the number of pips between this place and this place, I usually add the broker spread. And my stop loss potentially is usually just above this high. That above that high. Now, this was Audi USD, Australian dollar, US dollar. This was published on the September 20th, 2023. Let's try to estimate this figure, this guy here. How much was this turning to? Let's say it was 0.6 what? Oh, okay. Maybe you can do your math for yourself, because this one around here was 0.65, 6500. And we can say this above right here was around where? Right here. Yeah. It's around 250, right? So 0.65, 250. You can do that math. 0.65, 250. It was to take away 0.65, 00. It will give you around 25 pips. This was a trade to risk 25 pips. Then you also consider the broker. Usually for Audi USD, my broker, remember, is usually giving me a distance of just zero point. Audi usually is less than 0. Around 2 pips. Yeah, my broker. 2.5, 1 something, but let's put 2 pips. So it becomes 27 pips. So this is the amount of pips that I'm willing to risk when this trade decides to go against my prediction. So how do I come up with the lot size that I use? Now say I am trying, okay, in this trade, I am willing to lose, say $10, right? Let's say I'm willing to lose $10. No, let's work with this figure. Yeah. Let's say in this single trade, I am willing to lose $27, right? If I'm willing to lose $27, then I'm going to take $27 divided by the number of pips, which is 27, right? Which gives me to use a lot size of 1 standard lot. That is it. Yeah. I can use 1 standard lot there. And if I'm willing to lose, say, $20, $20 from this single setup, then I take $20, simple, divided by 27 pips. 27 pips, I don't know exactly what it comes. Estimately, 27, this one will be 0 point something, right? 0.8 something. I don't know exactly, you can do that math. Yes, if I am willing to lose, let's say, $270, yes, $270, in this single trade that I take, $270 divided by 27 pips, then I can use a lot of 10 lot size. It's as simple as that. You don't have to use a fixed because I usually use the lot size depending on the distance between my stop loss and my entry. Yep, my stop loss varies. It's not fixed. I don't use a fixed stop loss any time in my trading journey. Yes, that is exactly. I don't know if I've delivered the information correctly, in a right way, in an articulate way. But I hope someone has understood this. Yeah, someone who is also trying to make it in trading. Yeah, let this information help one of you. And if you've gotten something from this video, have a like on the video, and also you can put a comment on what is your reminder, on what you want me to talk about maybe in the next video, as help each other grow. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and we get to increase our family. That is what humanity means. Share the video to others also. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye. Oh.